How to hide friend list on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, under the Tools and Resources tab, you will see the Privacy Checkup option. Tap on that and you will then see the option for who can see what you share. Tap on that and then tap on the Continue button you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and under the Friends and Following tab, you will see the option for who can see your friends list. Tap on that and then select the Only Me option in here and finally tap on the Save button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this only you will be able to see your Facebook friends list. So this is how you can hide friend list on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.